Okay, good morning class. Before we start, please stand up and please bow your head and let us pray. Amen. So, please sit down and let me check your attendance first. So, how's your day? Is it good so far? That's good to know. So, are you ready to discuss our new topic today? Okay, that's good. So, let's begin this with group activity. So, are you ready? Okay, so I have here the questions. But before that, you will group yourselves. You will count 1 to 4. Then, you will group yourselves according to your numbers. So, let's start. Okay, did you group yourselves according to your numbers? Okay, very good. Then, please prepare 1/2 sheet of paper. Then, I have here the questions. This activity is they will show the kinds of expressions or emotions in the following sentence. So, you will be answering only according to your group numbers. So, example, group number 1. You will answer only the question number 1 and so on. So, are we clear, class? Okay, so let's begin. Start your assigned questions now. I will give you 5 minutes. Okay, time's up. So, it is very nice and I am very pleased that you were able to finish the task that given to you. So, before we proceed, I have here the objectives for the topic today. So, I will read the objectives. A. Classify sentences according to their uses. And letter B. Construct declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory sentence. And letter C. Read sentences correctly with expressions. And last, show teamwork and cooperation through participating group activity. Now, let's discuss your answers. Anybody who can tell me what she noticed with the following sentence? Okay, very good observation. Now, let me introduce you the 4 types of sentences. So, these are the 4 types of sentences. So, first, we have declarative sentence. Second, interrogative sentence. And the third, imperative sentence. And the last, exclamatory sentence. Would someone read this sentence? The first sentence, the declarative sentence. Thanks. Now, let's take a look at the answers that group 1 came up with. So this one is declarative sentence. Could you tell me the reason why it's classified as declarative? Very good, well said. Now, can somebody give me an example of a declarative sentence? Nice answer. Now, let's talk about the second type of sentence. Would someone read the definitions written on the board? Okay, can you please read number 2, the interrogative sentence? Nice one. And could you give me an example as well? Very good. It is easy to understand, right? Remember that all interrogative sentence ends with a question mark. That is wonderful. So, let's proceed to the next type of sentence, which is imperative sentence. Can you please read the definition? Thank you! Now, let's proceed to the sentence that Group 3 came up with. It ends with period, but that doesn't mean it's a declarative sentence. Can somebody explain the class why? Yes, you got it! Perfect! Now, I want you, class, to give me an example of an imperative sentence. Oh, well done! Now, let's discuss the last type of sentence, which is exclamatory sentence. Can anybody please read the definition? That's good! Now, I know you'll find it easy to understand its functions. Can somebody give me an example? Well done, class! Do you have any questions? Any clarifications? Nice! I am very pleased of your participation. Now, let's have a short activity. Here the activity. So using the picture shown in the screen, I wanted to form different types of sentences according to functions. Example number 1, I have here the picture that showing that she reached the mountain. So using the 4 types of sentence, you make your own sentence according to functions. So, are we clear? Any questions, clarification about this activity? Okay, none. So, I will give you 15 minutes to answer this activity. Are you ready? Okay, you may start now.
Okay, time is up. Ball pens down. Thank you. Okay, now class, let's remember that the sentence have 4 functions. They can be declarative, interrogative, imperative, or exclamatory. Can you again tell me the differences of the 4? Well done! So, I guess all you understand the 4 functions.
So, since you already understand the 4 functions, I have here another activity that you will be answering. Is it okay? Okay, so I have here the test 1. In this activity, I prepared test 1 and test 2. So, the test 1, please fill in the blank and identify each kind of sentences. So, do you understand what to do in this to this test? Okay, please take down the question. Then we will proceed to test 2. Okay, are you done? Okay. And test 2. What you will do is you will write your own example of each of the 4 kinds of sentences. Do you get it, class? Any questions? Okay, so please take down the question of the test 2. Are you done? Okay, so I will give you again 15 minutes to answer this activity. Okay, you may start now. Okay, time is up. Everybody, please pass your paper. So, before we end our class today, I have here the assignment, okay? So, copy the questions and please read properly the instructions before answering, okay? So, the deadline of our assignment will be on next meeting. So, any questions, clarifications? Nothing. None? Anybody? Okay, so I guess that's for today. So, see you next meeting, guys. Thank you.